Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to download, install and use Disk Drill recovery software. Disk Drill is a powerful data recovery tool that can help you recover lost or deleted files from your computer or external devices. The first step is to download Disk Drill from its official website. Open your web browser and search for Disk Drill download. Click on the download button to download the installation file. After downloading the installation file, the next step is to install Disk Drill on your computer. Locate the installation file and double-click on it to begin the installation process.
And for the first time in a long time, I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of
Follow the on-screen instructions to install Disk Drill on your computer.
a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I ain't going back, I'm not falling.
Once the installation is complete, launch Disk Drill.
You keep stalling, I hear destiny and
Now that you have installed Disk Drill on your computer, let's see how we can use it to recover lost or deleted files. Select the drive or partition where your lost or deleted files were located. Click on the Search for Lost Data button to begin the scanning process. Once the scanning is complete, Disk Drill will show you a list of recoverable files. You can preview the files before recovering them. Select the files you want to recover and click on the Recover button.
back a year ago.
Choose a location to save the recovered file. Wait for the recovery process to complete. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.